Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make the fireplace text effect on CapCut. So yeah, I'm using CapCut PC, and for example I'm going to add this like the current template here, and then I'm going to add text. Just click the alt text and edit the text. For example, and just for visualize and font style like this, and just export. Click export button and rename, click export. Okay, and delete this project and import that's created. Just right click created. So I'm going to add this effect option. Just click load effect and you can find the fireplace effect here. Just right here, just for duration, and then you can adjust for the filters, speed, and sticker. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make the fireplace text effect on CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for operation. And as usual, thanks, bye bye.